goofing. We have the best series ever for you guys. We are about to take our most intimidating trip ever, at least for me. It's going to be roughly 3 weeks long. We're heading all the way to California and then to Washington State from our home in Northern Kentucky, and I couldn't be more excited.
Alright, second fill stop of the trip. How you doing? Yeah. We haven't been wearing our jackets because it is like 105 degrees out, so our arms are looking red now. So figured we were gonna put jackets on now, right? Probably should. Oh yeah. I was gonna throw my jacket on. I don't want to dig in the case to get a long sleeve out, so other than that, it's been going pretty good. We're making good time. We've been cruising at 80 mile an hour for the most part.
What term does it say we'll get there?
I don't know.
How do you know we're making?
Bike says it's 102. Oh my god. Rough as fuck. Over here? What do you mean? I'm going to the shade. It's like got a bunch of black all over it.
There was a lot of fighting in the air between the Royal Air Force and the German.
That's right, that's a big one. We've talked about that before. Japanese factory workers also use methamphetamine.
I mean, Japan was an ally of Germany. They were part of the evil Axis, so Japan had knowledge that methamphetamine was successfully used. So where were we?
We were the effect of meth on the soldiers and also the effectiveness.
Was something that became a problem then?
I didn't think I was breathing that heavy. Yeah. Don't use that one. This one's got better water in it. That was cleaner too.
Amphetamine's better because it's not so strong. Just we're like a little bit more hesitant.
Yeah. quick stop in a historic part of St. Louis for the old spaghetti factory. Is that right?
Yeah.
There's a few of them around.
I'm just real thirsty.
Right. Yeah. Alright, serious by Bridgestone.
It doesn't remind you though of Italy at all?
No, I don't think I had spaghetti and meatballs that long.
We didn't. Well, you won't have meatballs in Italy.
Yeah. But no,
We did have a really good pesto pasta.
yeah. Okay, I think noodles are a little too done.
Probably, they're not al dente. Again.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I feel like they're about to look at us at any second.
Yeah, the makeup is really good. Look at the veins.
Right.